Look at this trick in Excel. You want to combine these three names, the name of the person, John, Mtua, Girl. So to combine that one to be one name, not separate, because this is John is first name, Mtua is the middle name, and Girl is the last name. So you need to use today we want to see how we can use a formula. Let's look at it. It's actually this formula equal text join. So you are joining a text. So your limiter is what you need. Our space you want a space. So I want double spacing. So it's double spacing. Okay. Then after double spacing, I want it to be true in between the brackets. Okay, and I want it to return from here or to combine those three, and then I'm done. Therefore, you see, you got the full name together, John Mtua Girl. So make sure you subscribe, like, share, so that I keep giving you this kind of tips.